Welcome to episode 10 of this inventory tutorial series. In this episode we'll create this placeable crafting table so you can open up the crafting menu from it. So let's get started. So let's start off by opening up our container inside of our canvas and inventory. So this one. Then let's double click on the canvas and click on 2D view. Over here we have our crafting, this one. So let's now go to items and let's duplicate our wood. So let's do Ctrl D. Let's rename this to crafting table, open it up, and let's rename all of these crafting table, crafting table. Let's set the icon to just be this check mark because I don't have one. I'll set the stack size to 1. I'll remove this wood icon. Crafting table item, crafting table underscore hand, crafting table underscore placed. Let's now click on this one and let's drag the item onto here and the hand item onto here. The description will be can craft. Now double click on the item and drag the crafting table item SO over here. Now click on our hand object right here and drag our placed onto here. Let's just right click in here and create a new material. Let's just call it crafting table mat, and I'll just make it this color. And let me assign all of them to this color. Now let's go to assets and scripts and create the script for all of this. So I'll right click, create a mono behavior script called crafting table, open it up. In here we will inherit from iInteractable, which we created in the last episode. Now let's remove everything in here and we'll now hold over here and show potential fixes and implement interface so we get our interact function. And then here we need to do some stuff, but we need to change something in the inventory first. So inside of our inventory we'll scroll all the way up and here we will add a public game object called crafting menu. Then we'll scroll down here to our toggle inventory and we'll put it right here, .setActive to be false. And in our crafting table script, we will do inventory.instance.toggle inventory, and after that we'll do inventory.instance.crafting menu.setActive to be true. If we now head back into Unity and go to assets, items and crafting table, if we find our placed crafting table right here, we can add the crafting table script onto that, and we can now go to 3D mode and double click on our player and let's drag the item onto here so we can pick it up. And let's disable the container right here and go to the inventory where we'll drag our crafting menu onto the crafting menu slot right here. Now we can hit play. Let's go over here, pick it up, let's place it, press E on it, and yep, you can see the crafting menu over here. And when I stop, yep, it disappeared. So only when I go over here will the crafting menu show up. So now you know how to make stuff like that for the inventory. So I hope you liked this episode. In the next one, I'll show you how you can save all the information of your inventory in a JSON file so that you can save your game. So see you for that episode. Also, if you want to learn how to make games and then publish them, check out my Skool community. It's the top link in the description. But yeah, have an amazing day.